Oh, I'm not sure if you have the same thing I have, but I have a stack of books beside my desk saying Atomic Habits, focus documents, how do I create no brown days, all of these pieces and documents to help me find focus, better habits, right? Time management. And I studied these for a very long time. And I work from a place of manage your energy, not your time. And once you accept that and understand that, there's this next part of looking at a program I do of 5 weeks to focus. And in the 5 weeks to focus, it's not that whole part of, you 28 days to build a habit or whatever the new lingo is. It's frequency. It's not duration. You have to do something repetitive. So it's not for a certain amount of time. It's how you repeat it, right? So when you're looking at 5 weeks to focus, the first week is just about noticing who you are, like actually taking input and information about what are your habits. When you wake up in the morning, do you grab your phone the first thing, right? Like really looking at your everyday habit for the whole entire week, and that's all you do. The next week, you look at those habits, and now you start asking the question of, does this habit help me get to where I want to be? Yes or no? Keep tracking your habits for the week, and just answer yes or no. And you might have some new habits that'll show up later on that you can recognize too, because you're now building awareness. So as you're going into the third week, the yes or no, it's answering that question of on the nose. By not grabbing my cell phone first thing in the morning, I get to, and then put a positive reinforcement in there. We're starting to see some change. So as we're going into the fourth week, we're looking even more into what we want to obtain, and that's where we start looking at our pillars and intentions, right? So we look at our 5 pillars and we start integrating our 5 pillars into our focus documents. By doing this, I get to so that. So there's this incredible integration of this piece of going and bringing in our pillars and intentions, that formula that I have there. And then in the 5th week, it's about bringing it all together and awareness. And I talk about time, place, and space. And I talk about the calm. And that's how you find the calm, right? Time, place, and space. So when you are documenting your habits, when you're recognizing you're finding a great comfortable place to go sit, you're going for a drive in your favorite car, you're sitting at a park, you have to curate your environment. You have to have a set repeatable time. And you have to put yourself in a mindset, in a place where you can accept and do these things that will help you move forward on what you need to remove from your life and what you need to double down on.